We've had Jason today in here on the treadmill, and we've been looking to test the economy of various shoes. So the economy is how much oxygen you use to run at a given pace, and it's a bit like fuel economy in a car. So we can tell by this testing which shoe is going to be most favourable for Jason in the marathon. We're doing a study with Ulster University, and we're going to validate a new survey tool called the Expert Q, which stands for Experience, Pacing and Effort Regulation Tendencies. And so pacing is really an emerging area of research, and it's not one we fully understand yet. But we know that how someone experiences a marathon and how they dose their effort matters. And so we're looking to explore that better and see what makes a more successful marathon performance in terms of how they dose their effort and experience the event. The running economy testing and pacing in a marathon are very, very closely linked. And it's all to do with that perception of effort and the actual cost of effort. So if we know that a shoe is more comfortable, that you move across the ground more easily in a shoe, then you're going to A, have less cost for movement, but B, also feel better when you're running. Shoe choice is interesting to runners because it can potentially make or break their performance. We know from some of these results that we've got from Jason, some of the shoes are only slightly beneficial, around 2%. Others are giving him a 10% performance advantage. So if you can choose the right pair of shoes, you may gain 10% in economy, which is probably around 4 or 5% gain in speed. So it can help improve finishing time. At Federation, we have athlete testing facilities, so the community can book testing with me or other experts in this area, testing economy, testing fitness zones, VO2 max, cycling and running technique, or team sports. And so we can use our knowledge and expertise of those tests to give the user actionable data to improve their performance. We actually teach these tests in our undergrad classes. So as part of exercise physiology, as part of applied biomechanics, students will learn how to perform economy testing, efficiency testing, and VO2 max testing using a variety of systems. And that's part of our co-op vision, where we're teaching students hands-on skills so they can then go and take those skills out into the real world and use them, kind of hit the ground running, to use a pun.